Hey Crafty, so this is Kimberly with Sky Creations. I wanted to show you a great tip when you're making paper flowers. So don't be intimidated by having hundreds of paper flower templates. You can actually create multiple flowers using one SVG file. So as you see here, I am creating this 3D paper flower using the Encore textured cardstock from the 12 by 12 cardstock shop. And I am going to be using the traditional method that I use by creating paper flowers. So I do have 5 petals. I curl each of those layers upwards like a taco using a kebab stick or a weeding tool. And as you see in this particular video, I do cut into my layers, and this just helps bring the paper flower into a more 3D effect and upward and not so flat. So as you saw here, that's what I was doing. But now I'm taking the exact SVG file. I have 5 petals here, and I'm starting off by cutting from the edge towards the center without cutting off each individual paper petal. And I'm going to do the opposite. So I did curl each layer like a taco, but instead of having my little petals facing upward and curling up, I have them curling down. So as you see here, the look of the paper flower is slightly different. The dimension is different, and it's a different texture. So if you are looking for a variety of paper flowers using the SVG file, this is a great opportunity for you. So here I'm doing the same thing as I did on the other paper flower. I'm curling them upward, and on this one I am going to curl and fold everything going up, creating the buds. So the first bottom 3 layers were tacos facing down, and the top tacos are facing upward. And so this creates a nice dimension. It creates variety in your paper flowers, and again, you're using one SVG file for that. So here's paper flower number 1, paper flower number 2, and now we're going to use our last 2 petals here, cutting towards the center again. But when you are rolling these petals, let's try something else. So one side you'll curl down, and one side you will curl up. So you're kind of creating like an S shape going in opposite directions. So as you see here, you go all around. It kind of looks like a paper pinwheel if you think about it. We're going to roll up just slightly on those petals and stagger the bottom layer from the top layer. So this is a very simple paper flower. It's more of a filler paper flower if you're creating like a little paper flower belly sash or a cake topper that has multiple flowers. So this is a great filler. And as you see here, you're going to want to put something in the center of this paper flower. You can put gems, you can put pearls. I decided to grab some glitter that I had around. And so with this one SVG, you get 3 different paper flowers, and hope this helps you along your crafting journey. Make sure to like and subscribe to the 12 by 12 cardstock shop for more great paper craft tutorials.